Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without the headache. Today, we're diving into a steaming rivalry that'll make your floors sparkle and your pets prance. On the left, we have the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop, and on the right, the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. One of these mops could be your best friend, and the other, well, let's just say it might end up in the closet next to your ex's old sweaters. Let's get cleaning. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell PowerFresh is priced at about $144, which some reviewers considered a worthwhile investment for its superior cleaning capabilities and extra attachments. They were particularly impressed with how well it cleaned without the need for additional cleaning products. On the flip side, the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop is much more budget-friendly at around $99. Reviewers appreciated this affordability and mentioned that it's an excellent option for those looking to save money while still achieving effective cleaning results. So if you're on a budget, PurSteam is winning this round. Ding ding! Now let's get into the nitty-gritty cleaning power. The Bissell PowerFresh claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria with its 1,500 watts of steam power. Many users praised its effectiveness on kitchen linoleum and tile, noting how quickly it dried and improved the appearance of grout. Meanwhile, the PurSteam also boasts chemical-free cleaning and heats up in just 30 seconds. Reviewers highlighted its effectiveness on various surfaces, including kitchen floors and grout, although some noted that it struggled with furniture and showers. So, if you want to zap those germs faster than you can say, "Oops, the dog had an accident," PurSteam might just take the crown here. Let's talk versatility, shall we? The Bissell is a 2-in-1 steam mop, meaning you can tackle messes on the floor and above. Reviewers loved the 13 tools included, which made it feel like a Swiss Army knife for cleaning. But wait, the PurSteam is not to be outdone. It's a 10-in-1. Reviewers raved about its ability to clean multiple surfaces and the variety of attachments that come with it. They felt it was a true jack-of-all-trades, perfect for a variety of household tasks. So if you want a jack-of-all-trades, PurSteam is your guy. Next up, ease of use. The Bissell has a 25-foot power cord, which many users appreciated for its reach, allowing them to clean large areas without unplugging. Meanwhile, the PurSteam is light and maneuverable with a swiveling mop head, making it easy to dance around furniture. Reviewers found it easy to handle, although some mentioned the short cord as a drawback. So in the ease-of-use category, it's a tie. But that's only because I can't decide which mop I want to tango with. Last but not least, let's talk accessories. The Bissell comes with microfiber pads, fragrance discs, and a tool bag that makes it look like a cleaning superhero. Reviewers loved the extra attachments that enhanced its cleaning capabilities. But the PurSteam, oh boy, it's got brushes, an angled nozzle, a scrape tool, and even a carpet glider. Users highlighted how these accessories make it versatile for different cleaning tasks. In this category, PurSteam takes the cake. Or, should I say, the mop. In summary, the reviews for both steam mops are overwhelmingly positive, but they highlight different strengths. The Bissell PowerFresh is praised for its powerful cleaning and versatility with numerous attachments, while the PurSteam is celebrated for its affordability and effectiveness on various surfaces. Both products have their loyal fans, making it a tough choice. So there you have it, folks. In the battle of the steam mops, it looks like PurSteam takes the crown for versatility and price, while Bissell is a solid contender with its cleaning power and accessories. Which one will you choose? The budget-friendly, multifunctional PurSteam or the pet-loving, germ-fighting Bissell? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, No matter which mop you choose, you can always count on us to help you buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep those floors clean and those pets happy.